Imagine a world where your work week ends on Thursday. No endless Fridays, no burnt out weekends, just balance. Globally, the 4-day work week is moving from experiment to full time reality. From tech giants in Japan to advertising firms in the UK, businesses are realizing more rest doesn't mean less productivity. But can this business work for a country like India? In this video, we break down the global shift and where India stands in this conversation. The 4-day work week isn't a Gen Z trend. It started gaining traction post-COVID when companies began reevaluating traditional work structures. In 2021, Iceland made headlines with its massive national trial where 2,500 workers shifted to 4 days without any pay cut. The result? Productivity remained the same or got better. Then came Belgium, the UK, and Japan. Microsoft Japan ran a 4-day workweek pilot and saw a 40% increase in productivity. Research by 4-Day Work Global, an international advocacy group, shows that burnout drops, job satisfaction rises, and output remains stable when the work week shrinks. In the UK's 2022 pilot, the largest of its kind, 92% of participating firms chose to continue the model permanently. Employees reported lower stress, better sleep, and even better relationships. In 2021, the Labour Ministry proposed flexible working hours under the new Labour Code, where employees could complete 48 hours over 4, 5, or 6 days. But this still hasn't translated into a cultural or corporate shift. Most Indian firms continue with traditional working hours, especially in service sectors like IT, customer support, and finance, where availability is constant. However, startups and ad agencies have started experimenting. Companies like Swiggy and Zerodha have offered reduced workdays or focus Fridays. One size doesn't fit all. While a 4-day week works in project-based environments, it's harder in shift-based jobs. Critics also point out that a compressed schedule can lead to longer workdays, defeating the purpose of work-life balance. And in India, where job insecurity and underemployment are widespread, fewer workdays might be seen as a privilege, not a norm. Globally, over 200 companies have moved to permanent 4-day structure. France and Germany are evaluating government-led rollouts. In the US, Senator Bernie Sanders proposed a bill to reduce the standard work week to 32 hours. And the best part, younger talent is demanding it. Recruiters say Gen Z and millennials are now prioritizing flexibility over fat paychecks. For India, the shift will take time. But with rising burnout and a workforce that's increasingly vocal, change is coming. The 4-day work week isn't just about working less. It's about working smarter, healthier, and more sustainably. So, what do you think? Should India adopt a 4-day work week?